What if I told you that right now, sitting in your kitchen or at your local grocery store, there is a single nut, one tiny wrinkled little nut that has been scientifically shown to literally rebuild your skin from the inside out while you are sleeping? And what if I also told you that most people walk right past it every single day without ever knowing what it can do for their face, their neck, their hands, and every inch of aging skin on their body? I know that sounds almost impossible to believe, but by the time you finish watching this video, you are going to have a completely different relationship with this humble little nut. And you are going to understand exactly why dermatologists, nutritionists, and longevity researchers around the world are now calling it one of the most powerful anti-aging foods ever discovered. So do not touch that screen, because what I am about to share with you could genuinely change the way your skin looks and feels within weeks. We are talking today about the walnut. Now, before you think, oh, I already know about walnuts, stay with me, because I promise you what most people know about walnuts barely scratches the surface. Most people think of walnuts as just a snack or something you toss into a salad. But the science behind what walnuts do to human skin, and specifically what they do while your body is in its deepest state of repair during sleep, is nothing short of extraordinary. And the way walnuts work is not one single mechanism, it is a cascade of biological reactions, a domino effect of healing and regeneration that targets the exact causes of wrinkles, sagging, dullness, and premature aging at the cellular level. Let us start at the very beginning, because to truly appreciate what walnuts do, you have to understand why your skin ages in the first place. Your skin is made up of 3 essential structural proteins: collagen, elastin, and keratin. Collagen is what keeps your skin plump, firm, and smooth. Elastin is what gives your skin its bounce, its ability to snap back into place. When you are young, your body produces both of these proteins in abundance. But starting in your mid-20s, your collagen production begins to decline by approximately 1% every single year. By the time you reach your 40s, you have lost nearly 15 to 20% of your skin's collagen. By your 50s, that number can climb to 30% or more, and it is not just age doing this damage. Oxidative stress caused by free radicals from pollution, UV radiation, processed food, poor sleep, and chronic inflammation accelerates this destruction dramatically. Your skin barrier becomes compromised, moisture escapes, fat pads beneath the skin shrink, the scaffolding collapses, and what you see in the mirror are wrinkles, hollow cheeks, sagging jawlines, and crepe-like skin on the neck and hands. Now here is where the walnut becomes something truly remarkable. Walnuts are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids in the entire world, specifically a type called alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. Your skin cells are surrounded by a membrane made almost entirely of fat. When that fat is healthy, your skin stays supple, moist, and resilient. When that fat is degraded by inflammation or a poor diet, your skin cells lose their ability to hold moisture and communicate properly with surrounding cells. The omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts rebuild those cell membranes. They restore integrity to each individual skin cell so that water stays in and irritants stay out. And when your skin is properly hydrated at the cellular level, fine lines soften, the skin looks plumper, and that dull, tired, papery quality that so many people associate with aging simply begins to fade away. Multiple clinical studies have shown that omega-3 supplementation significantly improves skin hydration, reduces roughness, and decreases the sensitivity that makes aging skin look red and inflamed. But the omega-3 content of walnuts is just one piece of the puzzle. Walnuts are also extraordinarily rich in a compound called ellagic acid, which is a polyphenol antioxidant with remarkable anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties. Ellagic acid has been shown in research to inhibit the breakdown of collagen caused by UV radiation. In other words, when you regularly consume ellagic acid through walnuts, you are essentially building a shield inside your skin that slows down the photoaging process, the kind of aging caused by sun exposure that is responsible for the vast majority of visible wrinkles, age spots, and skin texture changes. One study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that participants who consumed walnuts daily showed measurably reduced markers of oxidative skin damage compared to those who did not. This is not anecdotal, this is reproducible science. Now let us talk about one of the most exciting aspects of the walnut that almost nobody talks about, and that is its melatonin content. You have probably heard of melatonin as the sleep hormone. Your brain's pineal gland produces melatonin when darkness falls, signaling to your body that it is time to rest and repair. But here is what most people do not know. Melatonin is also one of the most potent antioxidants in human biology. It is actually more effective at neutralizing certain free radicals than vitamin C or vitamin E, and walnuts are one of the very few foods on the planet that contain bioavailable melatonin. When you eat walnuts, particularly in the evening, you are delivering melatonin directly to your skin cells, where it works to neutralize the oxidative damage that has accumulated during the day. Your skin's nighttime repair cycle, which runs from approximately 10 in the evening to 2 in the morning, goes into overdrive when it has the raw materials it needs. The melatonin from walnuts literally synergizes with your body's natural sleep-driven skin repair process, making the regeneration that happens while you sleep significantly more powerful and effective. This is not theoretical. Research from the University of Texas Health Science Center confirmed that walnut consumption raises plasma melatonin levels and that the melatonin in walnuts is biologically active. And when melatonin is active in the skin, it stimulates fibroblasts, which are the cells responsible for producing collagen and elastin. So by eating walnuts before bed, you are essentially programming your skin to produce more of the very proteins that keep it firm, smooth, and youthful while you sleep. This is why so many people who begin incorporating walnuts into their evening routine report waking up with skin that looks more refreshed, less puffy, and over time noticeably smoother. Let us keep going, because walnuts also contain very significant amounts of vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that has been used in dermatology for decades precisely because of its ability to protect and repair the skin. Vitamin E works in two ways. It neutralizes free radicals before they can damage skin cell DNA, and it supports the skin's natural lipid barrier, which is the outermost protective layer that prevents transepidermal water loss. When your lipid barrier is intact, your skin looks dewy, even-toned, and resilient. When it is compromised, your skin looks dull, dry, and aged. The form of vitamin E found in walnuts is gamma-tocopherol, which research suggests may be even more effective than the more commonly discussed alpha-tocopherol form at fighting inflammation and protecting skin cells from environmental assault. Walnuts are also a surprisingly significant source of copper and zinc, two trace minerals that are absolutely essential for skin health and that most people are chronically deficient in. Copper is a cofactor for an enzyme called lysyl oxidase, which is responsible for cross-linking collagen and elastin fibers into the tight, organized networks that give skin its structure and resilience. Without adequate copper, your collagen fibers are weak and disorganized, which means your skin is more prone to sagging and wrinkling. Zinc, on the other hand, plays a critical role in skin cell turnover. Your skin sheds its outermost layer and replaces it with fresh cells every 28 to 35 days, but that process slows dramatically with age and with zinc deficiency. When zinc is adequate, that turnover accelerates, bringing new healthy cells to the surface more quickly, which means clearer, brighter, more even-toned skin with fewer dull patches and a more youthful glow. Now, a question I know many of you are thinking about: how many walnuts do I need to eat and when should I eat them? The research is quite consistent on this point. Most studies showing meaningful skin and health benefits used approximately 1 ounce of walnuts per day, which is roughly 7 whole walnuts or 14 walnut halves. This is the amount that has been shown to deliver therapeutic levels of omega-3 fatty acids, melatonin, vitamin E, polyphenols, and minerals. You do not need to eat handfuls and handfuls. One small serving, eaten consistently, is what produces results. As for timing, because of the melatonin content and the way walnuts support nighttime skin repair, eating them in the evening, approximately 1 to 2 hours before bed, gives your body optimal conditions to put those nutrients to work during your skin's peak repair window. Many people find it easy to keep a small handful of walnuts on their nightstand or to add them to a light evening snack, perhaps with a small amount of plain yogurt or a piece of dark fruit like cherries or blueberries, both of which also support skin health in complementary ways. I also want to address something important. Preparation matters. Raw walnuts retain the full spectrum of their skin-supportive nutrients. When walnuts are roasted at high temperatures, particularly dry roasted commercial varieties, some of their delicate polyunsaturated fats can become oxidized, which actually creates harmful compounds that do the opposite of what you want. So whenever possible, choose raw walnuts or walnuts that have been very lightly toasted at low temperatures. Also, the thin brown skin on the walnut, the papery layer between the shell and the nut meat, contains an enormous concentration of antioxidants and polyphenols. Some people remove this skin because of its slightly bitter taste, but nutritionally that skin is one of the most valuable parts of the walnut. Try to eat it. Over time, your palate will adjust and you will actually begin to appreciate that subtle bitterness as a sign of the medicinal power inside. Another question worth addressing is whether walnuts will cause weight gain. This is a concern I hear frequently, and the answer might surprise you. While walnuts are calorie-dense, numerous long-term studies, including a major trial from Harvard, have found that regular walnut consumers do not gain more weight than non-consumers, and in many cases actually maintain healthier body weights over time. This is because the fats and proteins in walnuts are extremely satiating, meaning they reduce overall hunger and prevent the kind of blood sugar spikes and crashes that lead to overeating. Additionally, some of the fat in walnuts is actually not fully absorbed during digestion due to the structure of the walnut cell walls. So the real-world caloric impact of walnuts is lower than their raw calorie count would suggest. I also want to mention briefly that walnuts do not work in isolation. If you are eating walnuts every evening but simultaneously consuming a diet high in refined sugar, processed seed oils, alcohol, and ultra-processed foods, you are fighting an uphill battle. Sugar, for example, directly attacks collagen through a process called glycation, where sugar molecules bind to collagen fibers and make them rigid, brittle, and disorganized. This is one of the primary mechanisms of skin aging, and no amount of walnuts can fully counteract a consistently high sugar diet. Walnuts are powerful, but they perform best as part of a broader commitment to skin-supportive nutrition, adequate protein, colorful vegetables rich in antioxidants, sufficient hydration, minimal processed food, and consistent quality sleep. Speaking of sleep, let us circle back to that for a moment, because the title of this video promises that walnuts work while you sleep, and I want to make sure you fully understand why that connection is so meaningful. During sleep, your body enters a state of systemic repair. Growth hormone is released in its highest concentrations, inflammation is regulated, the immune system clears cellular debris, blood flow to the skin increases by up to 45% compared to waking hours, which means that nutrients circulating in your bloodstream are being delivered to skin cells at a dramatically accelerated rate. If those nutrients include the melatonin, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, copper, zinc, and polyphenols from walnuts, your skin's repair mechanisms during the night are working with premium raw materials. The result over weeks and months of consistent consumption is visible improvement in skin firmness, a reduction in the depth of fine lines, improved moisture retention, and a more even, luminous skin tone. These are not overnight miracles, but they are real, measurable, and sustainable changes driven by biology. To bring everything together, wrinkles and skin sagging happen because of collagen and elastin breakdown, oxidative damage, cellular dehydration, chronic low-grade inflammation, and inadequate nighttime repair. Walnuts address every single one of these mechanisms simultaneously. Their omega-3 fatty acids restore cell membrane integrity and hydration. Their ellagic acid and polyphenols neutralize free radicals and protect collagen from UV degradation. Their melatonin enhances nighttime skin repair and stimulates fibroblast activity. Their vitamin E shields the lipid barrier. Their copper and zinc support collagen cross-linking and accelerate healthy cell turnover. No single supplement pill replicates this synergy of naturally occurring compounds working together in their original biological matrix. That is why whole food sources like walnuts consistently outperform isolated supplements in long-term skin health research. If you found this information valuable, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video like this one. Hit the like button if this gave you something genuinely useful to think about, and drop a comment below telling me what topic you want me to cover next. Your questions and suggestions genuinely shape the content I create for you. I will see you in the next video.